ipo kitukun khala pa mo to ben tom khat achen na telung na wa so bang achen na.
So every leader, no matter what their role, whether they're welcomer or whatever role, needs to become one of these. So you can continue to fill that out as you like. Responding to grievances. So natural justice. It's on pages 34 and 35. We need to allow for natural justice. In other words, we can't interfere, we can't try to stop a person being charged with a law. Did you hear on the news the other night? This young boy who stole a car and crashed into another car and killed someone. One of his friends tried to hide him. Okay? And what happened to the friend who tried to hide him? He got charged. He was trying to interfere with natural justice. You can't interfere with natural justice. You have to allow justice to proceed.
Thu le la khat pe shwa ni khan atwa le mo to pe nang hum sak lo ni se sim sak lo ni zai ta zong thu khat piang mo tang wa lo khari na mo to dong ni khat tai na to tai ni pen si along ban to tang atai pa pen sel ena to asel pa pen thu nei mo to dan igilowa thu dan khara pai sa ni nang mo mo pi lo to asel pa zong mo ama mo tha.
If the media, like if a radio station or the newspaper or the television station rings you and say, "Oh, I heard this happened in your church," you don't share anything with the media. Tell them, refer them to AdSafe or refer them to myself at the conference office. But you here, if someone rang you and said, "Oh, I heard this happened in your church," so that's not for me to share. You can talk to someone.
Buổi nào khai rồi chúc khéo nó piang khát về nó lùng nó đã tôi cũng phong sát đi là nằm biết cái ngoài khi băng chú piang còn phát lùng nó lên nó chỉ vào đây ai cái chuyện là nó thấy phiếu dùng tiền lông cái nó accept cái cái rất sắc đỉnh nó đuôi đỉnh hay cái này khi Victoria Conference Secretary ba cái mà nó là hậu đuôi đỉnh em đâu tiền lông nó tôi cái sai lông.
Now sometimes if we don't abide by the policies, then we can have insurance and legal issues. At the moment we have RMS as a registered group at the Seventh-day Adventist Church, there's insurance coverage here with you. However, if you do not follow these principles that we're talking about here, then there's very real risk that the insurance company would say, "Well, sorry, I'm not going to cover you," which means that any costs will go to you personally.
Tua đó là hít đến tua tiền đan xua mà ông thì hiện để về đàn ഇപ്പോൾ പിക്കാ സുന đàn thì na agenda na em tu na insurance này chỉ có một game cái na ai ha hít đàn cái sự kế lệ tôi insurance cái ông khảo lo thì ông bảo cái thằng ama lo thì tôi rồi cái gì
Well, it's the same with your car. If you're speeding and you crash, the insurance company will say, "You're breaking the law, I'm not going to cover you." And it's the same with the church. If we don't have leaders who are safe and we have safety measures in place and a child gets sexually hurt and then there's a court case with lots of money, the insurance company will say, "Well, sorry, you didn't have all the right procedures in place."
Bằng thì bằng em chỉ để motor insurance bằng mà insuranceเป็นฟูตากาได้ก็ห่างนะโน้ตตากาโอเวอร์สปีดนี่นะนี่ขัดไต่กันเลยเนี่ยนั่งทุกคนจุดในตัดเจงนะก็มุสาวกินยังจีเจ้าตัวนั้นหมายนะที่โปรพิโนด่านทุกคนกินที่ทุกคนแต่เป็นโปรพิโนอาทิตย์ผ่อนอุดบังผ่อนต้องมองบังมาด่านอันนี้หนึ่งกิโลอินชัวร์หนึ่งที่ขาวไว้ตัดเจงที่ชัวร์ด่านเตะน่าสุดกี่หัวเลยก็อินชัวร์จะต้องขาวไว้เราหนึ่งหิ้วจริงไหม
Now, sometimes there's known sex offenders who have exclusion notices on them. In other words, they're not allowed to attend any church. And if you find someone who's come to church to visit and they have an exclusion notice, you have to ask them to leave. If they refuse to leave, you ring the police immediately and say, "We have someone here who we don't want here because they are a sex offender." And you can legally tell them to leave.
มีขัดไปด้วยพอพี่ทุ่งมีขัดไปด้วยสมมติว่ามีต่อบางทีมีนุ่มเองภาษาทุกที่นำลงไปถ้าตั้งโซ่เขาจุดตรงนี้อับวนที่เขาหมดเดี๋ยวกินช่วงไปเลยโน่เดี๋ยวกินไปนะหอเลยหมดเอาไปแค่นั้นก็เป็นแค่ซ้ำเทียมตัวเป็นโน่แต่ยังมีตั้งแต่โน่ตัวจิตเห็นตัวโน่พี่เดี๋ยวกินช่วงบวยนะอมเลยกว่ามันตาวันเมื่อเราโน่ว่าพังอะไรจังวะ
All right. We're up to chapter 4, which is on page 36. We want to talk about the SAFE programs. Okay, so we're going to talk about the process for gaining approval for ministry, management of risks in ministry, strategies for maintaining a safe ministry environment, and how we respond to this.
Program ini demo lumuan tagai ini jadi tuh supili kau sendiri nama ya aku nggak ingin jadi makan itu program baik kan ini terkena tunggu siapa nak hal na tepi nama sini kalau bicara ituเป็นในตั้งนี้ตัวนี้เป็นตัวปั้นลงอามาองค์กระดานเลยตาวยูมั้งก็เป็นอามาเทป
Okay. OH&S, or Occupational Health and Safety. This is something that every church has a responsibility for. We need to make sure that when people come to this church, they're physically safe from, for example, OH&S. If I tripped on this cord here, then, and I hurt my knee, that's an OH&S issue. So really, where there's a walkway, there should be a piece of tape holding that down so you don't trip. That's OH&S.
Or pisung kerja apa lama zoom kiu kedan tom apa mo OH&S Cina nasib na puang kape bawa tak salah mo kamu na amthai dinga dia jangan bang na tuna hite ngabang kayong pai dinga hi khau pal kha ka tu wa le pe hi dia gen mun pen mod mai lo Cina to che mi pi khom na kon khom na pen hi pen thep khat to i khum mi khat ina pa khang lo mo to pen mod mai lo Cina ni.
So when we're thinking about if you have a youth activity outside of this church and they're going for an overnight camp, then the church board needs to approve it.
Kita na bang nunga ya khang lo po ya sa bang to pai kaya mo to ta po ran pen church board na approve ben hi chi apolo ma po pi apolo ma church program ka pe ni.
You need to think about OH&S issues. For example, if they were going to snow skiing for the day and staying over only when it's an overnight activity. If it's a day activity, that's okay.
Kita na bang po pi apolo ma po pi vai hom na khat to ma vu muang mo pai ding zan kan tam ding bang hile ngai su ding a pen amon moi dan te mo ngai su ding ni chi
We also need to think about emotional and spiritual environments, that it's going to be a safe environment for those under risk management, that we're going to make sure that kids aren't going to be in a place where they can be easily hurt. And how will we respond should someone hurt themselves when we're on an overnight trip? How would we respond? Do we have the emergency telephone numbers ready? Do we know where the nearest hospital is? That sort of thing.
Na to bang zan khat ta ma vu mo la pi khau India pa pai bang hi le to le bang ting san ding ti pai ding chiang na ala wai dan na ban wai po ha hiam ti pai tak che ilung shi bu ding ngai su na mo a che dam sang mo ai ke le ong se sak le mo to ngai san ding to ki tak che na tua mun san ta ga bang lo khat tuak leng emergency number mo ke si yung si khana na pe be lo chi kan khol ring na ha be.
Okay. Yeah, this is an important point here, that all volunteers are considered workers. Just because you are a volunteer and you're not paid to be the youth leader, for example, or the welcomer, you're still considered to be an employee. even though you're not paid. It's strange, but that's OHS law.
OHS ทุกข้ามาเป็นมาเฮียนเกนังซุ่มเปียกนะเซมนะเฮียซุ่มเปียกลงนะเซม volunteer นะเฮียเพียงจังอามาจัดแต่นะนังเป็นนะเซมนี่ฮีว่าพี่ปอดเปียดิ้งลงที่กรุ๊ปอะไรดิ้งลงนะเซมนี่ฮีจะมาอุทัยจัดแต่นะมั้ง
And the church board acts as the employer, if you like, and so it's their responsibility to make sure that their employees, the volunteers, are kept safe within that work environment.
ตัวแต่จะปอดพินส่งตัวนั้นนะปอดพิดิ้งนะเซมนี่เป็นมาเป็นยิ่งเป็นการลงชงเซ็กชัดแต่การมั้งไอ้ดิ้งตัวจุดปีที่
The attendees, those who don't have any role, they're the visitors, but we still have to make sure they're kept safe as well.
เนี่ยนะตัววายคัดพิจารณาองไปเล่งนะแค่เปล่าส่งเดี๋ยวแต่ละอามาทุกนาจะเป็นอาลาหวยมันบังมาอมโลกยาไอ้เต่านี่จริงมั้ง
So we need to care for our own and others' health and safety. And we need to take reasonable care not to adversely affect the health and safety of others. We need to comply with any reasonable instructions so far as they are reasonable.
เนี่ยนะเพื่อการตามคนที่หมอบอกเป็นมาให้มันเลยไอ้เนี่ยอาบังเข็มมั้งอีเซนปีนี้นะมั้งครับทุกปีแต่เจ้นะมีดังเตะลงตัวบังมาอีเซฟลงชงเซชัดตะกาเอาบินต่อทุกปีแต่เจ้นะตัวด้านที่ด้านทุกคนเต็มมั้งมีดังเตะลงองค์ปกปิดเจดิ้งไอ้บอกของนายจริง
This is all part of duty of care of the church board to make sure everyone who works within the church and visits the church is kept safe, both sexually and physically.
เนี่ยนะที่เป็น
Emotionally.
ปอเปียปันมุนเด่นเตะลงปอเปียองเล่งนะเตะลงปอเปียองค์ product แบกไอ้ลงที่สัวองค์สุนันนะให้เป็นขบวนตะกาบางวันบวยดำโนดิงาไวฮอบดิงเป็นที่ตะกาไอ้หมอกบอกเฮียใช่ไหม
So there's a little tool called a risk assessment matrix, and we should go through that. If these are the sorts of things that you do when the young people are going away overnight for a weekend or something on a church trip of their own, on the own local church, not one that they'll go to for Hauptwoche or something like that with all the other young people at the conference, but their own church trip. And you can see that on page 38. It's called the matrix, the risk matrix that we should go through. And we'll have a look at it here. I think it's on the screen.
เห็นขัดปอที่ไวฮอบนะขัดต่อก็ลงไปแต่เจนะอาลาหวยนะอีจับเตะนะมั้งตัวขัดเป็นเจ้านี่คือลายไม้ช่องมือเดียนนะมั้ง
Okay, so if we just go through it here on page 38, we think about the, let's say the young people are going snow skiing, okay? So we go along the top and we think if one of the children got hurt, would it be, you go through, is it going to be intolerable, significant, high, or what will it be? The likelihood.
ที่แต่ก็เป็นนั่นแหละเริ่มถึงว่าไอ้วงมาแล้วก็ไปมีขัด
Start at the bottom, sorry. Is it very unlikely that someone would get hurt at snow skiing? Or is it very likely? Or is it moderate? What do you think?
วงมาแล้วก็ไปน่ะมีขัดวอลเลียมเราของขัดเนาะตัวไอ้ที่เป็นช่วยจิตใจนะนักเสียงหัวมองว่าที่บางวันจะเขากันแต่อาชีพหรือว่ามันก็น้องก็จิตใจนะเห็นชัดเจนอามาตัวเสียงนะของตัวน่ะที่เป็นเซโรโทนินแอคชั่นลักด้านเดียวมีทำพิสูจน์ฮัลโหลแต่ขันไม่ไกลตักเจอมั้งโน้ตบางจริงไงสุด
So you would think it's probably, there's a good chance that someone could get hurt snow skiing. So let's say it's moderate. And then we talk about the consequence, which is on the one on the side.
moderate เจียงมันจะบอกว่าบางทีเนี่ยตัวว่าวงมอลไปตักเจียงคัดไปเกี่ยวเป็นตูเขียวเขียวที่เขียวที่ดิ้งเป็นอาลาลาวที่อีจีเนี่ย moderate ติดมั้งก็เป็น
Then we might say, well, it's probably low to medium if they fall over in the snow. Snow's soft and you're going down, so, but they might hurt themselves, so low to moderate. So that's how you use the matrix when there's an activity like a Pathfinder camp or a youth activity or a church camp.
ที่เป็นโปรปีนไวห้องน่ะโปรปีละมาโปรละมาหม้อไวห้องน่ะเดี๋ยวโปรใครจงแค่ของดูตัดเจียงอ่ะอิจัดหนึ่งว่าตัวอิจัดเจียงอ่ะนี่ขัดตัวที่น่ะไอ้ที่ปังคาราตัวเขาเป็นเพียงแค่เลยโมเดลโมบางมาที่เตะนาให้เลยสิเนี่ยแต่เป็นว่าสนิทตัดเจียงมาเป็นตัวอิจัดเสร็จมั้งเป็นเรื่องอิจัดโปรปีน
So some of the things we need to think about if we went, for example, on a church camp one weekend to somewhere. Is someone going to care for first aid? Who's going to take the person to the hospital if there's an accident? Do we have enough food for everybody there over the weekend, or will someone be hungry all weekend? How are we going to pay for it? Who's going to be in charge overseeing things? There might be some age-specific things that only children can do or only adults can do. High-risk activities, safe manual handling of food. So, you know, if you're all cooking together, you've got to make sure you're going to be washing hands and cleaning things properly. Visual and auditory practices, so the way that things are done. So you need to think about all of these things, because that's part of due diligence.
Đây là chỉ là một vài hôm nào hắn tôi khen bày đúng hay là giản gia đình tôi lại cái sầm cái ngày xử lý tên phải mở một cái ngày xử lý về tôi lại đây gen sao mà bằng cái pha sinh cái khách liền với là xí đồ này bằng chỉ đến tôi pha sinh kit để mở em có một cái tôi phải những ngày xử lý tại tại trên là bao là cái khách thì tôi sẽ là khách này quay mô tô hồ sẽ là cái tiếng Anh tôi là có đến transport quần tàu này chỉ có cái weekend kiểu như thế chơi à cái việc là đi ăn cái gì đúng khôngแต่เจ้าซุ่มอาเบดีกว่าเนี่ยตัวเงี้ยตัวเป็นอาไว้ใส่ปีนี้ครับที่ของแต่เจ้าผู้หามเตะตัวนั้นตัวของเราที่แต่เจ้าเกี่ยนำทั้งเตะเป็นแบบที่สามีที่ของได้สุดท้ายแต่เจ้าอันวันนี้เลยส่งเป็นมิตรที่อันนี้กี่วันค่อยเป็นอ่ะไอ้ยังอันวันเต้นเสียงทองโลกก็เป็นอ่ะอีเฟกอ่ะซุ่มไปหยอกที่ของเนี่ยพอโหลดแล้วอ่ะปัจจุบันอ่ะคุณชอบเล่นอ่ะปัจจุบันนี่สักโหลดหนึ่งที่ของว่าตัวนี้ง่ายสุดจริงจีนนั่นมาเป็นโปรปีนของใส่เป็นไว้ใส่สำหรับสักตัวอะไรที่เราเนี่ยเอ้ยดิ้งเซฟเทคนิคเนี่ยไว้ทำสำหรับตัวมาตัดแจ้งอ่ะน่าเห็นตัวกลับอ่ะมั้ง
So that's all on the bottom of the page. So when we go through this with you, we're not going to read everything in the book. The book, you can look at the book and refer to the book. You can keep the book and look at it later. Our intent is to give you an oversight of it. That's what today's for.
Nên là tôi nhìn vào
It's all in the book.
ที่แต่งเช่นแบบเกณฑ์ที่หลงว่าไอ้ยังพอปีด่านขันว่าทุกคนจะตัดเลยหรอด่านพอปีกับคนด่านขันนี่นะจะเป็นน้ำมันหนึ่งเจ้าตัวเด่นเจียวนี่นะอเมริกาที่เสียไปเราหนึ่งว่า
So you're not going to play basketball in an area with big holes in the ground, for example. Okay, that's just common sense things. That's all it is. It's not hard. It's just common sense.
นี่นะง่ายสุดที่ง่ายสุดที่เจียงดิ้งที่เราตัวเกณฑ์แต่ตัวเกณฑ์แต่ว่าก็วางเอาไอ้เกณฑ์ลิงเอาเต้นจีเจียแล้วก็บาสเกตบอลของตัวมันดีหน่อยหรือว่าตัวง่ายสุดที่
But at the same time, even though you've put every safeguard in place and it's a safe environment, still people can get hurt in accidents. It just happens. People do funny things, or they fall over, or they trip on each other. You know, about 2 months ago, I think it was, the youth department had a basketball tournament down in Dandenong. So all the young people of different churches sent basketball teams, and the youth director told me he had to take people to the hospital, 4 trips to the Dandenong hospital, with people falling over or breaking their wrist or twisting their ankle, or so you can put all the best safeguards in place, but still people get hurt. So that's why you've got to have a plan on what you'll do when there is an accident.
พอพี่ขังเราเป็นตัวอเมริกาคณิตลายนะอามาแต่ก็ขังเราแค่แบบว่าเด็กน้องก็บาสเกตบอลกินน้ำไปอยู่น่าแค่แบบนี้นะที่จริงๆเราไปอาชีพมาฟังเต็มปัวบางเราใครแค่ฟังกิมมากไปนะพี่นะไอ้ยังตูบิงแต่ตูเว่บางจริงๆเรานักกีฬาเขาโดยเจ้าจะไม่นี่เกณฑ์เช่นนั้นบางเลยตัวอาแค่มาอา ขุดมาเลียมตัวแค่เลียมตัวเวกาจะตัวเข้าอีบังไปขาจิตตัวของมาไกลไปน่ะน่าแค่เป็นอีเรดีเพียร์ส่งเพียงแต่คนแบบเพียงเนี่ยตัวเป็นกูจะด่าเอ็นเต่านั่นเองว่าตัวแต่ที่เรียนอะไรสิมั่งกูมา
So the physical environment is only one environment we think about. There's also the emotional environment and the spiritual environments. We want to make sure that people are safe in all of these areas, and so it's something that we need to give thought to.
นั่นนะเงี้ยจะเป็นตักษาตู่เทนาเลียมเทนาตักษาวิเวมั่วตัวนั้นเป็นลุงชิมเล่พาหลังตู่เทนาตรงตรงนี้มั่ว
So again, that's on pages 41 to 42.
หลายไม้ส่งดีนะคัดมาส่งดีนี่
So a spiritual leadership is a person that isn't pushy. They're there to serve rather than to push.
ข้ามาใกล้จิตจักเจงนะมีตัวสอดกันเกมีของเป็นโซนที่เหลือเนี่ยอามาเป็นศิลาบางมีเตียงนั่นน่ะเสียงเดี๋ยวให้สองมั้ง
Any information, private information you get from someone, like someone's telephone or their personal address, you shouldn't give it out to others without the other person's approval.
มีใครนะเดี๋ยวจะบอกตัวเนี้ยเชื่อมั่นแค่ว่าอามาอีก personal information กันว่าตอนที่กำลังได้ใช้ส่งอาทิตย์ยาเป็นอามันอาเป็นว่าไปทางหน้าเรื่องตัวมีดังของส่วนนั้นตัวเต็งหรือว่า
Yeah. So understand that every person is different. Some people are very loud and boisterous. Other people are very quiet and timid. And so, just treat every person as they would wish to be treated.
พอพี่มีแต่อากิสับนันดานนาอาหูเสียงว่าตัวเสียงนึงอาคุยเสียงนึงอากิสับเสียงว่าพอเขาจะเป็นเรื่องชัวได้ขี้แค่ดิ้งไอ้ห่าขาล้มนะฮะมาดิ้งที่ที่คนเราพอเขาจะเป็นเป่ารัวๆพวกนี้ที่ตัวจีหามเจ้าว่าบอลเกนเกสดิ้งไอ้ห่าว่าน่าฮิโร่ไอ้ห่าเสียป้านะโอ้อามาอดันด่านะมั้งช่วยจริง
And as a good leader, we should be a role model. We need to be careful with the words we use. We don't swear, of course. We speak politely to people. And remember, non-verbal communication is the biggest communicator. Okay, so understand that non-verbals are very important as well.
เป็นบางทีอิจิตัดใจนะน่าเห็นดูว่ามีแต่ตาเป็นนะอันนี้นะอีเป้าเขียนกำมาเตเป็นมีน่าสักหน่อยตัวตัดใจนะไอ้เป้าเขียนsanaไอ้เป้าเขียนเรากำตันนะตัวกี่หลักเป็นน้ำเลียดจรัวอาเจเบตัวตัดใจตัวกี่เรามาใหม่
Good. All right. How do we respond to an incident? So sadly, let's just say something's happened. Someone's fallen over and broken their leg, or something's happened. What do we do when that terrible thing happens?
แต่ฉันจะมีข่าวตัวขึ้นมาaku kita bang na chiu tam.
Well, we need to have a plan in place, but it's not an incident normally happens when we've got unsafe conditions, unsafe actions, and perhaps someone's made a silly decision to do something they shouldn't do. So when those three things occur, that's when we normally have an incident.
Incident tak cina, na hati kita hati mo afian ning tak cina, nam chung pi mo meje, nam kan na along chung se chalo muna, mo along chung se chalo muna, alang huai gam tan na hat kita, ina tua pana, akhir tak kena, tua yang cuma kita tak cina, cuci akat yang meje.
So what do we do in those incidents? Number one, we need to be ready to respond. If someone's fallen over and cut their arm, there's blood everywhere, you need to know where the bandages are so you can quickly go and put a tornado, you know what I mean, wrap it up.
เนี่ยนะเดี๋ยวว่าตัวด้านดินมุนครับที่น้ำชุ่มที่ออกมาเจ้าหน้าขัดเพียงเงินว่ามีใครเนี่ยกิโตที่น่าคุณกิตันสีรวงสักตัวเลยเป็นกุ้ยเต็งอาเบนิสต์ดิ่งอาคุณตัวสักดิ่งเชี่ยถ้าขัดช่วยยังไงสุดเจ๋งตัวนี้จริง
You need to have the number ready, 000, ring the ambulance. You need to know it to be able to put them in the car and know how to get to the nearest doctor or hospital.
อันไหนเป็นสีข้างในจะเป็นกุ้ยจีน่าละแอมบูเลนซ์ซัมดิ้งกุ้ยจีน่าเป็นซัมดิ้งจีอะตอมเป็นตัวเจนเลยจะอยู่มั้ง
Afterwards, you may need to fill out a report because if they're on a church activity, the public risk insurance may cover some of the medical costs. So you need to be able to follow up, report to RMS, who is the insurance for the church, and let them know what happened. They'll give you a form to fill out.
Tua teng apian kit tak chiang form fill up dingum. Tua fill up tak insurance na abeza hon khat on pa kibing pan.
And then, of course, you need to review the activity for next time, so you don't have the same accident.
Tua apiang tu khat pen na chap te na ekki ding pe a chopi jiang mo akip chiang hibang poi khat hibang vai khat ni tak chiang na apiang lo bi la mo kidang na ekki jiang ni chi.
Okay. So let's go to the back of the book now. And you go past chapter 5, you see there's the pledge that you've just signed. Then there's the complaint form. Now these complaint forms are on the AdSafe or the Safe Places website. And you can fill that out. Or perhaps Tang can fill that out for you if you gave in the incident of a sexual abuse issue. These are the forms that you can fill out and you can send it to AdSafe. So this is an electronic form, it's all online there. If you go to the next page, you can see the website, Safe Places, oh no, that's where you email it to. Just go to safeplaces.org, I think it is. And you can just email the form, print it off, send and scan it, or take a picture of it and send it.
And online one of the more Safe Place Services online one of the
And then with regards to the very last page, here is to help you if you're having a church activity that's going away overnight. This is a risk assessment form that you can go through, and you can see, again, that's just on the website, and you can fill that out, and it helps you to be able to work out using the chart here, how high the risk is, and to fill that chart out.
Nhưng mà bay đàn của họ ngắm được bị bay sớm lên tê bè cái phim tăng nghề này mi ama khăn tê ông ama khăn đi đấy đúng không? Thì tất cả phong cảnh phi đi na, thì tất cả phi na chúng ta là apiang khi chúng taเป็นhai mô lô mô rồi mô chỉ không à, complete tất cả phi chúng taเป็นตัวเจียงtất cả mi ông ama khăn đi đi bên.
Okay. Now we've come to the end, and so it's now time for if you have any questions. Or if you need anything clarified, now's the opportunity for that.
Đơn độcของนั่นเองมัวเลยที่บางปอพิจพิชัยนี่มันผมจะไว้ลงมาจะเลี้ยงตรงไว้ลงมาจะผมว่าตอนนั้นđơn độcมัวเลยดดขวดยี่ตัวอะไรกัน
No questions? We did such a good job, there's no questions.
Very good.
So the important thing to remember, the very basic things to remember is if you see something that you're concerned about, talk to Tang or ring AdSafe. If you see something that you know is wrong, ring the police immediately. We have a thing in Victoria called mandatory reporting. If you see a crime, you must report it or you will be held accountable. What has got the Roman Catholic Church into lots of trouble is that they tried to hide what the priests were doing to children. We don't want to hide anything. I mean, we're very sad if it happens, but we have to tell the appropriate people and report it.
Yeah, to egama alsi dia ka piso nga mo iboy mama bi khat pen mayam chele afala bisu oriente mo asya pite kam ta sia pen pobi miten sel sa amao na ang phong numi no phong to boy na teo pen mo to pen ko man mi pi thei di gen khen am lo tak chen a to pen da wan ma a hang I so to ban ki dei no ena numi pasal ma phoi me ya chen mo ko pa na to ban am le pen to te long ki dei no.
Good. All right. So what I need now, so I pass all this information, this along with your codes of conducts. I'm going to pass that to AdSafe on Monday, and then they will email to you, and your email address is here, your certificate to say that you've completed your AdSafe training. So, but before I can do that, I need you to sign that you've been here through the whole day and through the whole couple of hours. And so I just need you to sign in the completed section, and then Tang can return that to me.
Then na sign thuna gay wa then na kipat na mo na sign thuna agaya aman dong mahi chi sign thu un la mo hi nong te email a tu ni na te tan kau o hi bang na po office nga khamwang tak lu mo ta ka biak biak na se na program te om the hi chi certificate mo aba ong ha di email ta to tak chen hi agaya sign thu mo.
Okay, any questions? No questions? Everyone's ready to stand up and finish? Why do we stand up? We'll have prayer and sitting down too long. Let's pray. Father in heaven, we are thankful that one day soon we won't have to talk about this stuff anymore, because Jesus will come and do away with pain and suffering and hurt. We long for that day. Until then, Lord, help us to be wise and to show good duty of care for one another, so that we can be a church that is indeed a safe place for everybody that attends. And I pray your blessing to be upon this Zumi group. May it continue to grow and be a blessing to the community here and the wider Zumi community right throughout Melbourne as well. In Jesus' name, amen.
Kakano swag sele no ngopicha Sing sang châu ca khăn lọ cha San không nhar sung kan nok cha To ba o na o san nuam jani Nisimin hi lei tung o tam Kabilin za ka zagote in kakha da sakzel Lai sang thâu sim khúc tin thu nghen in tô ba kong sun chia kê đồng hồ bị na o in hong ta khâu sa Nisimin hi lei tung o tam pi kabilin za ka zagote in kakha da sakzel Lai sang thâu sim khúc tin thu nghen in tô ba kong sun chia kê đồng hồ bị na o in hong ta khâu sa Kê nông ngô pi na o ne Kapil sunga khung pe ne Kakha nâu swak se le nông hô pi cha Sing sang châu ca khăn lọ cha San không nhar sung kan nok cha Tu pa o na o san nuam jani Kan lung nuamin kamay tay so na ken bang ma nay ken Hong hu hong pan bi ding so kan nay lo bi Kham lệ ngôn sung lệ pai tốt lấy so lâu cả lung nọc na Tô ba o na ta cây nông hậu pi na hi cả lúc hoa bin cá mai tay số na keng băng ma này keng hồng hụ hồng pan bị điên sông căn này lâu pi khăm lệ ngôn xuân lệ bài tội lấy gió lâu cả lúc nốc na tô ba ô đất ta cây nông hậu pi na hi cây nông hậu pi na ôn lệ cả biển sum na không bê nê các khá đâu xoắc xe lấy nông hậu pi cha sinh sang châu ca khăn lộ cha gian không nhớ sương cả nóc cha tô ba ô na ô dân noam đen đi sim nay sim min tô ba cây nông hậu pi na hi lấy từng chữ lên la tâm pi về sang căn lung gul so đi sim nay sim min tô ba cây nông hậu pi na hi cây nông hậu pi na ôn đê không bê đây các khá đâu xoắc xe lấy nông hậu bị cha sinh sang châu ca khăn lộ cha gian không nhân xương cả nóc cha tô ba ô na ô dân noa thẹn đi cây nông hậu bị khá đâu xoắc xe lấy nông hậu bị cha sinh sang châu ca khăn lộ cha san không nhớ sương căn nóc cha tô ba ô na ô san noa thẹn đi sinh sang châu ca khăn lộ cha gian không nhớ xuống cả nóc cha tô ba ô na ô san noa thẹn đi sẽ lấy nông hậu bị cha sinh sang châu ca khăn lộ cha san không nhớ xuống cả nóc cha tô ba ô na ô dân noa trên đi cả lúc noa min cá mai tay gió nàng kết băng ma này keng hồng hụ hồng bạn bị điên rồi căn này lâu pi khăm lệ ngôn xuân lệ bài tội lấy số lâu cả lúc nốc na tô ba ô na ta cây nông hậu pi na hi cả lúc noa bin cá mai tay số na keng băng ma này keng hồng hụ hồng pan bị điên sông căn này lâu pi khăm lệ ngôn xuân lẽ bài tội lấy gió lâu cả lung nộp na tô ba ô na ta cây nông hopi na hi cây nông hopi na ôn nê kabil sumna kumpene kakha no swak sele no hopi cha sing sang choka khan lo cha san khom yar sum kan nok cha to ba o na o san nuam te ni